Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be doing our fall cleanup. So, it's our fall cleanup in the garden. So, it's getting really cold here. So, we gotta start whipping up our plants and they'll stick. And we need to get started for next year. So, at the end of October, we also are gonna be planting some garlic. So that will stay there all winter, and we won't touch it until we harvest it at the end of June. So here's our wheelbarrow. We're gonna use it to put all the dying plants in. Then we're gonna put this, the dead plants, when they're all dead plants in here, in the compost. Let's go. Let's go around. Trespassers will be composted. So these are our eggplants. This happened because of the flea beetles that are eating them. So those holes and those still flowers. You hit my hat. And only if the season was still longer, this little tiny baby eggplant would survive. First, we're gonna see if there's anything to harvest here. Whoa! Yeah, definitely not this guy. Like, he's good on the other side, and guys, look, he got some damage. It kind of looks like wood. Nope. So we're just seeing if there's anything that we could harvest and use. But there's not a lot. We need to grab them from the bottom and yank them out from the bottom, because these guys have a lot of good roots. Whoa! Whoa! Mushroom! Whoa, but this is pretty good. Ugh. Okay, this one was a bit easier because it don't have that many roots. Okay, look at all these flowers. And guys, there's another baby eggplant. Well, too late to change that. If only it was still September. Get out of here. No way that plant could support my weight. Whoa. Okay, this guy was a lot easier. Alright. Yeah, we're probably gonna keep this guy. Yeah, we're just gonna keep him there for right now, till the end of the video. Hey guys, look at all these cherry red peppers. I guess we're gonna take all of them. Wait, this one kind of looks like a pail. What? It does. Yeah, that did not make it. Guys, if you guys ever see a cherry red pepper looking like this, it's bluffing, because if you just leave it on the plant for a long time, it won't get sweeter, it won't get crispier, it will just change color. And if you take it off like this, it would still just be turning red. It's pretty cool. See how it's like red, brown, and green? It's kind of like a rainbow. Oh, look at these guys. Yeah. Plants are really just falling apart. What? So that's how you know it's the end of the season, because the plants were easier to kill off than ever. And guys, just like the eggplants, there's still flowers on their peppers. And guys, look, we got this one from the Veggie Boys. They have really good starter plants. So guys, these are our cabbages. So they also have holes in them, because like caterpillars been in them and like some other stuff. So this is the side two, and if it had enough time, it would be a brand new head of cabbage. Oh, no. So since these ones are pretty small, but really easy to get out, one more. Ooh. So guys, we left our beans on the vine, because we're gonna wait for them to dry like these ones, so then we can save the seeds for next year. So guys, this is what the seeds look like when you don't pick them. It's just plain white. So we're gonna save these for next year. Whoa. Guys, you almost got hit. We don't need them anymore. Whoa. Maybe I should do the stuff on the top first. So guys, this is really hard work for the fall cleanup. So like, we got so much more stuff that we need to pick and harvest and put it in the compost. So this probably gonna be a 2-potter or a 3-potter, because we still need to get the peppers, the tomatoes, and we need to fix the bed, and we need to get the garlic ready for next year. We need to get everything ready for next year. So I hope you guys watch out for the part 2 or part 3 and part 1, which we just made. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.